Imagine you are in a stressful situation, being questioned by law enforcement. The natural inclination might be to stay quiet, especially if you feel overwhelmed or unsure of what to say. But does that silence work for or against you in a court of law? Generally, police cannot use your silence as evidence of guilt against you once you have been taken into custody and clearly invoked your right to remain silent. This protection is a cornerstone of your constitutional rights, specifically safeguarding you from self-incrimination. This fundamental protection stems from the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which states that no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. The Supreme Court's landmark ruling in Miranda v. Arizona established that once you are in custody, police must inform you of your right to remain silent and your right to an attorney. If you then unequivocally assert these rights, your subsequent silence cannot typically be used by the prosecution to suggest guilt. This is often referred to as post-Miranda silence. However, it is crucial to understand that if you have not yet been placed under arrest or have not clearly stated that you are invoking your rights, your silence in some situations could potentially be interpreted differently. The law distinguishes between remaining silent before an arrest or before Miranda warnings are given, and silence after those protections are clearly invoked. Therefore, the most effective way to protect yourself is not just to be silent, but to clearly and verbally state that you are invoking your right to remain silent and that you wish to speak with an attorney. Do not relying on merely staying quiet and hoping police will understand. It is essential to be explicit. Once you have made these statements, do not answer any further questions and calmly await the presence of your legal counsel. An unambiguous invocation of your rights is vital because police are trained to engage you in conversation, and anything you say can be used against you. Even a seemingly innocent comment or a partial answer could open the door for the prosecution to later argue that you were not truly invoking your right to silence. This is why legal experts stress the importance of a clear and unequivocal statement rather than just passive silence, particularly before you are formally given your Miranda warnings. By understanding and confidently asserting your constitutional right to remain silent and your right to legal representation, you are actively protecting yourself from potential self-incrimination. Being clear about invoking these rights not only strengthens your legal position but also ensures a fairer process should you face charges. It is an important step in safeguarding your future.